What's up, guys? Down here at the DeArmonds with Cletus. Cletus is up there right now getting it back for this camera because it's pouring fucking rain. We're gonna be going to Tiffanys and then I'm gonna shoot some more. I'm just trying to save my camera the best I can. But check this shit out. The water's going up a bit. Our dam is still holding up for the most part. So, yeah, we're gonna catch y'all at Tiffanys.
Okay.
It's recording.
Oh fuck! I didn't know it was recording. Oh shit. Hello.
She's gonna say hello to the camera.
Well, I mean, what else can I say?
There's a lot you can say.
Story of my life.
Story of your life.
Story of Tiffany's life.
Story of my life. I don't know, El Taco Cat's afraid. My hair's all fucked up. Oh no, I've got a 32 gig card in here which will hold probably like 5 hours of recording and stuff.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun. Enjoy. It's wonderful. It's fan-tastic.
He's gonna ride well, I think it's almost time to get ready to leave.
Yeah, so whatever happened to talking about the film?
Filming? I'm not gonna talk about it, dude.
That's why we came over here for and to check up and hang out.
Yeah, well, I kind of had a conversation with her about it already. I better shut this off. I don't want.